How does a trustee manage duties for a trust fund? Imagine holding the keys to a family's future wealth, especially when real estate is involved. That's what a trustee does when managing a trust fund. They are the person responsible for making sure everything runs smoothly and according to the rules set out in the trust document. First, the trustee must understand the trust's terms completely. They need to know who the beneficiaries are and what the trust allows or restricts. This means reviewing the legal documents carefully and making sure all assets, especially real estate properties, are secure and properly documented. They can't delegate these core responsibilities but can hire professionals like lawyers or accountants for advice. Next, the trustee has to invest the trust assets wisely. When real estate is part of the trust, they need to decide whether to keep properties, sell them, or improve them to increase value. They follow what's called the prudent investor rule, which means making safe choices that protect the trust's wealth. They avoid risky investments that could jeopardize the trust's future. Then, the trustee manages distributions to the beneficiaries. They decide when and how much money or property to give out, based on what the trust says. For example, if the trust is set up to help a family buy a home or pay for education, the trustee makes sure those needs are met fairly. They must treat all beneficiaries equally and avoid favoritism. Keeping detailed records is another key duty. The trustee documents every transaction, income, and expense related to the trust. They prepare tax returns and send regular reports to the beneficiaries. This transparency helps everyone see how the trust is growing or being used. Most importantly, the trustee must act with loyalty and avoid conflicts of interest. They cannot use trust assets for personal gain. Their decisions must always benefit the beneficiaries first. This includes keeping trust property separate from their own and acting in good faith. In the context of building wealth through real estate, especially within Black communities, a trustee plays a vital role. They ensure properties are well maintained, managed, and possibly sold or leveraged to grow the trust. This careful oversight helps preserve and pass down wealth across generations. By doing all these duties responsibly, trustees help families turn trust funds into powerful tools for creating long-term wealth. They help ensure that real estate assets grow and stay protected, giving future generations a solid foundation to build on.